In this lecture, we are going to start a mini-series on the definition of personal data. So we will start with the entire definition. We will look at the term's source, and then we will look at the four parts that constitute the definition itself. So what is personal data according to the GDPR? Personal data means any information relating to an identified or identifiable natural person, henceforth known as data subject. An identifiable natural person is one who can be identified directly or indirectly, in particular by reference to an identifier, such as a name, an identification number, location data, an online identifier, or to one or more factors specific to the physical, physiological, genetic, mental, economic, cultural, or social identity of that natural person. Sources for this term include the GDPR, of course, and the WP29's 2007 opinion, also known as Opinion 4/2007. Now, we're going to take that definition, and over the next several lectures, we're going to break that down into four parts. The four parts you need to remember for the exam and also just for your analysis as a privacy analyst are any information relating to an identified or identifiable natural person. In this lecture, we defined personal data as, in short, any information relating to an identified or identifiable natural person. And these are the four parts. Again, any information relating to an identified or identifiable natural person. This is what we're going to break the next several lectures into. And so really dive deeply into this term so that we understand it for the exam and for our jobs.